As we approach the mid part of August, that means that we're just a few days away from the start of the fall calving season for those herds here in the Southwest that do plan to start that calving around the 1st of September each year. A couple of reminders I think are very, very important that we bring to you each time this year. The first one is, of course, of the research done here at Oklahoma State University that has illustrated to us that the average gestation length of cows that are pregnant during the hot summer months, the average gestation length is about 5 days shorter than what we might see with spring calving cows. And therefore, if we have scheduled our breeding program last fall such that we expect the first calves to begin around the 1st of September, we know that there's always variation around that gestation length. In the books, you'll see it to be about 283 days. In any situation, there will be quite a little variation around that. Well, if we shorten that to about 278 days, now we can certainly have some calves that are coming around the 20th of August or shortly thereafter. That tells me we want to start looking for problems that might be taking place with a replacement heifer that's going through the first throes of labor, and we need to give her assistance. Also, this is a good time of year to go ahead and get that calving kit put together so that it's ready to go for this upcoming fall calving season. I'd like to put in my calving kit and start out with a 5-gallon stainless steel bucket or a plastic bucket, something that I can always clean and get disinfected in between each use. And of course, remember to put in the calf pulling chains, make sure there's handles to go with those. You'll also want to have some kind of a non-irritating antiseptic, as well as a non-detergent dish soap for a lubricant can be really helpful as well. Make sure that you've got some plastic OB sleeves available in that calving kit ready to go. Don't forget some of the simple things such as having a flashlight if you need to do some nighttime checks and some extra batteries. Also, when that baby calf arrives, you probably want to have a bottle of about 7% tincture of iodine to dip the navel in to treat the navel area so that infection doesn't get into that baby calf from that particular region. We need to think ahead that this upcoming fall calving season is really closer than we might believe. Making these preparations is certainly going to be important and helpful when we get in that situation in the middle of the night here in this calving season and we have to help a heifer or a cow that's having some problems. We look forward to visiting with you again next week on Sunup's Cow-Calf Corner.